cytoplasm is that it fills the inside of the cell and surrounds all the internal structures of the cell, as you can see in the picture. The function of the cytoskeleton is that it maintains cell shape and it helps cells move. Both cytoskeleton and cytoplasm are located in the animal cell, the plant cell, and the bacteria cell. Throughout the cell, the cytoplasm is the fluid portion of the cell outside the nucleus, and the cytoskeleton is located inside of the cell's cytoplasm. Vote cytoplasm and cytoskeleton. Kapow! Yee! The nucleus, as you can see in the picture, is located in the center of the cell. Its function is that it stores hereditary information in DNA and also synthesizes RNA and ribosomes. It is also called the brains of the cell. The nucleolus, as you can see in the picture, is found within the cell's nucleus and also produces ribosomes as its function. As you can see in this picture, mitochondria are located in the cytoplasm of cells along with other organelles of the cell. The function of mitochondria is that it converts the chemical energy stored in food into compounds that are more convenient for the cell to use, also known as power plants of the cell. As you can see in the picture, ribosomes are located throughout the cytoplasm of all cells. The function of ribosomes is that they organize the synthesis of proteins. Alright, in the picture, rough endoplasmic reticulum is found throughout the cell, but the density is higher near the nucleus and Golgi apparatus. The function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is that it is where lipid components of the cell membrane are assembled, along with proteins and other materials that are exported from the cell. In a cell, rough ER is generally close to the nucleus, while smooth ER is generally closer to the cell membrane. The function of smooth ER is that it synthesizes steroids, regulates calcium levels, and breaks down toxic substances. In the picture of the cell, Golgi apparatus is located close to the endoplasmic reticulum. The function of Golgi apparatus is that it processes and packages substances produced by the cells, also known as UPS or FedEx. As in this picture, lysosomes are located in the cell cytoplasm near the cell membrane. The function of lysosomes is that it digests molecules, old organelles, and foreign substances. As in these pictures, cilia are small hair-like structures attached to the membrane that can move back and forth. On the other hand, flagella is one long tail-like structure attached to the membrane, and it moves back and forth, but more in a thrashing motion. These two organelles work together to propel cells through their environment and also move materials over the cell surface. As in this picture, vacuoles are located in the cell cytoplasm near the endoplasmic reticulum. Their function is that they store enzymes and waste products, also known as stored bubbles. As in this picture, centrioles are located in the cell cytoplasm, located near the nucleus in the centrosome. Centrioles play a key role in helping cells divide. As in this picture, the cell membrane is located around the cell and also forms a strong barrier between the cell and its surroundings. The function of the cell membrane is that it regulates what enters and leaves the cell and also protects and supports the cell. Again, as in this picture, the cell wall is located when producing a strong supporting layer around the membrane. The cell wall also helps to support and protect the cell. In this picture, chloroplasts are located in any kind of plant cell. Chloroplasts are the biological equivalent of solar power plants. They capture the energy from sunlight and convert it into food that contains chemical energy in a process called photosynthesis. Vote for cytoplasm and cytoskeleton. Yee!